If the Gemini Creative Video option is not showing on your account, you're not the only one facing this issue. Many users are seeing the same thing, where the Create a Video feature is missing inside Gemini. In this video, I'll explain why this is happening and what you need to do to fix it. The main reason is that the video creation feature is no longer available on the free version of Gemini. Right now, this option is limited to users with an active Gemini Pro subscription. In addition to that, your Google account must be verified as 18 years or older for the feature to appear. To get access, open Gemini and tap on the Upgrade option. You'll see Upgrade to Gemini Plus. Select this option, choose a subscription plan, and complete the purchase. Once your Gemini Pro subscription is active and your account meets the age requirement, the video creation option should become available in Gemini. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more useful updates.